This is the main screen for our cellular automation program. So the first question would probably be, what is cellular automation? How does it work? So if you come down here and click on our step through button, it's going to give you an explanation. You just select a rule number, then you hit start and it's going to give you a little starter information. Hit next and it's going to give you a little information about where this number comes from here and why we do the tops of the row the way we do. You hit next again and now it's going to start filling these cells in and giving you an explanation of how the cells are filled in. So you can hit next again and it's going to start going to the next cell. So once you think you've kind of got the hang of it and you want to look at some more complex stuff, you just hit this exit step through and we're going to go back to the main screen. So from the main screen we can click on our demo. What the demo is going to do is it's just going to cycle through all of the valid 1D rules one at a time, changing this as we go so we can see which rule number we're watching at any given moment. And once we're done watching the demo, you can just hit exit demo over here. It's going to take you back to the main screen. So from here, we can customize a run. You just click the customize button down here, and then we can come in, we can set the width of our grid, we can set the height of our grid, we can select which rule number we'd like to watch, we can change our speed, you can set the 1 color, you can set your 0 color. You can also set your top row. Instead of just having that default single cell in the middle, we can put a couple of them up here, and then when you're ready to see it, just hit start. It's going to kick back and start running the rule. So we set our display speed kind of low, and if you get a little bored with it, you can just hit stop. It's going to stop the run right there. You could go back, start another customized run, or what we're going to do now is go look at our 3D view, because all the stuff we've been looking at so far have been 1D rules that create 2D objects. So now we're going to look at some 2D rules that create 3D objects. So you just click here, and it's going to take you to the 3D view. You want to select a rule number, and then you got to select a starting layer. You want to select an ending layer, and then you want to show your model. And we've created this. So we can click this guy, we can drag him around to see what he looks like. You've got F and G. Those keys are going to zoom in, zoom out for you. And if this ended up creating a really cool thing that you wanted to save, you can hit Save Model, and it's going to pull this up. We're going to save him to our desktop. And this is going to save this model as an OpenSCAD file. So you just hit Save, and now that file is over sitting on your desktop for whatever you'd like to do with it. If you're done with the 3D, you can hit Exit. You're going to go back to the main screen. And then from any screen, we've got this Help button up here. If you're trying to use the program and kind of forget where you're going with it, you can hit this guy, and it's going to take you to our user documentation page. And what this is just everything that our program will be able to do and how to do it. So you can always come here, find how to do what you're looking for, and you're good to go. And that is our cellular automation program.